In this video, I'm going to solve 4 questions of testing solutions to inequalities. So let's begin. The first question is, which of the b values satisfy the following inequalities? Okay, so the inequality is 5 is less than b minus 3. Now we need to plug in each of these options and see which of them is correct. So 5 is option A, says B is 8. 5 is less than 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equal to 5, so A is not correct. Option B, 5 is less than, instead of B we plug in 9 in option B. 9 minus 3 gives us 6. So 5 is indeed less than 6. So B is good. Option C, 5 is less than, instead of B we plug in 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 5 is indeed less than 7. So options B and C are correct. Good. Which of the p-values satisfy the following inequality? Okay, so the inequality is 5 is greater than or equal to 2p, 2 times p plus 1. Okay, so option A, we need to plug in 0 instead of p. So 5 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0 plus 1. 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So on the right hand side of the inequality we have 1. So this option is correct because 5 is indeed greater than 1. Option B, 5 is greater than or equal to 2 times, instead of p, we plug in 1 plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So on the right hand side of the inequality we have 3, and 5 is indeed greater than 3. So option B is also correct. Option C, 5 is greater than or equal to 2 times, instead of p, we plug in 2 plus 1. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So on the right hand side we have 5, and the inequality says that 5 is greater than or equal to 5. So C is also correct. Good. Okay, which of the h values satisfy the following inequality? 6 is greater than or equal to h divided by 2. Okay, so 6 is greater than or equal to h divided by 2. So option A, we need to plug in 12 instead of h. So 6 is greater than or equal to 12 divided by 2. So on the right hand side we have 6, okay, because this simplifies 6. 6 is greater than or equal to 6, yeah. So option A is correct. Option B 6 is greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, instead of h we plug in 14 divided by 2. So on the right hand side of the inequality we have 7, because 14 divided by 2 is 7, and 6 is not greater than or equal to 7. 6 is less than 7, so B is not correct. And if B is not correct, I guess C is not correct, because C has a greater value than B. Let's verify. 6 is greater than or equal to 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So 6 is not greater than or equal to 8. So C is not correct. Only option A is correct. Good. Which of the n values satisfy the following inequality? Okay, so 3 times n minus 7 is less than 26. So in option A we need to plug in 10 instead of n. So 3 times 10 minus 7 is less than 26. Okay, 30 minus 7. So on the left hand side we have 23. 23 is indeed less than 26. So option A is correct. Option B, 3 times, instead of n, we need to plug in 11, minus 7 is less than 26. So here we have 33. 33 minus 7 is 26. 26 is not less than 26, is equal to 26. So option B is incorrect. Option C, 3 times n, instead of n we plug in 12, minus 7 is less than 26. 3 times 12 is 36. 36 minus 7. So on the left hand side we have 29. 29 is not less than 26. So only option A is correct. Good. Thank you for watching. Okay, so on the next video I'm going to move on to the next section. Okay, so I'm going to do this practice. One step inequalities. So I will see you in the next video.